Hello, and welcome to another episode of What's in the Kitchen with Certified Catastrophe. Today, we're going to be making honey glazed children. Just kidding, it's gonna be chicken.
It's chicken, dumbass. And Wolverine sucks.
Ugh. The ingredients you need for this are crocheted red pepper, soy sauce, or if you want to be a healthy vegetarian, liquid aminos, chicken boobs, tits, chicken breast, and the relatable olive oil. Because I'm an extra virgin. Our first step is to put an 1/8 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. Now we're just going to improvise and just... Seems legit. You know your boy's gotta do the crushed red pepper taste test. Whoo! That's just spicy, boy! And then to that same mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Alright, this shit's already disgusting as it is, but to wash down those red pepper flakes, there's no use in bitch. Just fucking do it. And then last thing to add to that mixing bowl, 1/4 cup of honey. Well, geez, this is going unbearably slow. Then you mix that shit up. Next step, you want to pour 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil into a medium-sized pan. And then you're going to want to heat the pan up with the olive oil. And then you're going to want to grab the chicken boobies. And when the pan gets hotter than your cousin's mother, you want to put the chicken in there. And let the olive oil soak in. And then, when the top part is brown, you're gonna want to pour your mix in with the chicken. Then make sure the chicken ain't pink, because then the toilet's gonna stink. Turn it down to simmer, because that's cooking way too fast. So you want to cover it then to make sure it's cooking, because that's what I don't do. Don't take tips from this man. He's dangerous. He should be in jail. Cooking jail. It's Martha Stewart. Now that's some good chicken. That's how you make honey glazed chicken. Now for the good old taste test. That tastes like shit! Hello everyone, and welcome to another What's in the Kitchen with Certified Catastrophe. Today, we're going to be cooking children. crocheted red paper. God, I ain't doing this stuff. This is literally worse than soy sauce. I'm sure you've smelled soy sauce before. It's delicious, a fine addition to the chicken. And then you're gonna want to grab the chicken boobies. Get away from me. When the pan gets hotter than your... Oh, fuck. Make sure the chicken ain't pink then, because then your ass is gonna stink.